Don't take a picture of me doing this shit.
Taking video, actually.
Wiping my ass.
Real life, Smoky
Oh
Mountains.
yeah, he's fucking. His Josh wiping out his butthole. That's all.
This is beautiful right here.
Get some.
The Smokies. This is, what are we on, day 3, Wednesday? Yeah, it's about 11:30. On the way to Cosby Knob. And there's the wipe he just used to clean his asshole. He's wiping his face and
Call
his
that
arms
an
now.
Appalachian shower.
Just get some of that flavor from breakfast.
You don't waste shit up here. Shitty, right?
So there's the piece of trail right there. It kind of thins out right here.
It's the first clearing that we've come to just about.
Yeah, pretty much it is. Yeah, I've been in the woods all morning. We just stopped and had breakfast about 45 minutes ago or so.